The tools you carry every day should be useful, be built for the long haul, and become valued companions on your journey. This is Gadgets and Widgets.
Last year, we launched our machine collection. 3 everyday items, machined in England and designed to enhance your everyday carry. Since then, we've been experimenting with some new materials and finishes, including a surface that improves the functionality of each product and is also a beautiful addition to our raw brass and stainless steel range. The key cache stores an emergency banknote and fits discreetly on your keyring. The mechanical pen is a wide diameter balanced ballpoint designed to reduce fatigue while writing. And the travel-friendly 100mm hip is a contemporary, functional alternative to a traditional hip flask. Their black steel tungsten carbide coating is usually reserved for high-wear engineering and military applications, but also has a beautiful aesthetic which lends itself well to luxury watches and other refined goods. It's 9 times harder than stainless steel and 3.5 times harder than grade 5 titanium, making it scratch resistant to pretty much anything you'll put in your pocket. It features a graded carbon matrix which reduces friction, making sliding surfaces and threads ultra smooth and incredibly long lasting. And to make it your own personal heirloom, each product can be laser engraved with an inscription. The Black Steel collection is designed and made in England and built to last a lifetime.
Please make sure to give thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to Gadgets and Widgets, hit the bell icon to get notifications.